Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to talk about abstract base classes. So what are abstract classes? Let's take a practical example. Let's declare a new class, shape. It doesn't have a constructor defined, but let's define a method, draw. In this method, we want to draw this specific shape. However, for this class, we don't know what to draw. So for implementation, let's simply print don't know what to draw. Now we can create different shapes which can extend this base shape class, and they can have all the functionalities of this shape class. We can have subclass circle which extends our shape class, and it will override the draw method to draw a circle. Inside this simple implementation, let's print drawing a circle. Let me also create another subclass square that extends shape with a draw method. Inside the draw method, I print drawing a square. Now I can create an instance of circle class, shape equals circle, and now I can call shape.draw and it will invoke this method from circle class. I can also create an instance of the shape class instead of this circle class, and if I run the code, it prints this message from the shape class. The problem in this design is that we don't know the exact shape when we call the draw method from the shape instance. So it makes sense to remove this method from the shape class. But we also want all of its subclasses to have a draw method defined in them. We want it to be a contract when we are extending this shape class that all the subclasses must have an implementation of the draw method. In such cases, we can use abstract classes. Abstract classes are basically incomplete classes which cannot be instantiated, but we can extend them. To create an abstract base class, we need to extend the built-in class ABC, which stands for abstract base class. At the top, let's write from ABC, import ABC and abstract method decorator. Now we simply need to extend this ABC class while creating our shape class, and let's decorate our draw method with abstract method decorator. Now if I try to create an instance of the shape class, you can see that it throws type error, cannot instantiate abstract class shape. So we can only instantiate square and circle but not shape class anymore. So this print statement from the draw method of shape class will never be executed. So we can remove this and simply write pass, and still it will work perfectly fine. Now if I comment out this method draw from the circle class, let's write pass to compile this class, and let's create an instance of the circle class. If I run this code, it throws type error. We cannot instantiate circle class without draw method. If we don't define draw method in the subclass, that class also becomes an abstract class. Let's remove this pass keyword and redefine our draw method. Now if I execute the code, it works perfectly fine. So this solves both of the problems. Now we have a contract that all our child classes must have draw method defined when they extend our shape class. And we cannot create an object of our shape class. So that's how you can use abstract base classes to create class hierarchies. This nicely leads us into the topic of polymorphism, which we will look into the next video. So I'll see you in the next lesson.